And now, it's time for the Sea Lion Splash.
Welcome, Sea Lions. Welcome back from spring break.
And we are your barking sea lions for the week.
I'll get back from spring break. Let's finish strong.
This is Sea Lion leader Bronson Segura with this week's announcements. Welcome back from spring break. We hope you have a restful time with family and friends. Let's make it a good week. 5th grade will have an OSS Expectations Assembly in the auditorium on Monday at 1:05. Let's represent McGaw with our best behavior. 4th grade McGaw Strings rehearsal is on Monday at 2:30 p.m. 5th graders are leaving for outdoor science school on Tuesday at 8:45 in the morning. Happy trails, campers! Math lab is on Tuesday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Go to room 30 and your teacher will take you to your classroom. The Honorary Service Awards are on Thursday at 8 a.m. Congratulations to all the amazing community members being honored this week. Math lab is on Thursday after school for 1st and 2nd grade. Go to your room 30 and your teacher will take you to your classroom. 5th graders are returning from outdoor science school at around 1:30 p.m. of Friday. Welcome back, class of 2032. Thanks so much, Sea Lions. Have a great week.
Hi, what's that? Let me see. High five. Good job, Nolan.
I got a robber.
High five. Nice.
Universal Medicinal Kindergarten.
And our first Raw Buck winner comes from Mrs. Barr's class. Congratulations to UTK student Avon Alden. It says here that Avon had an amazing day today. He was so responsible with completing all of his work. Way to go, Avon.
Kindergarten.
Let's put our hands together to celebrate kindergarten student Hart Alexander. Mrs. Sizemore said that Hart was so cool and calm when a tub of Legos fell and went all over the place. He knew it was just a little problem. And that's what you got to do to make sure you have a great school day.
1st grade.
Mrs. Van Smollen wants to shout out 1st grader Mason Moreno. She said that Mason was following directions even when it was challenging. He maintained his regulation and participated with the group. Way to go!
2nd grade.
Congratulations to 2nd grader Rowan Cochran Villalobos. Mrs. Brendel says that Rowan took responsibility for himself and made a great choice on the playground. He was kind and respectful. Thanks for trying your hardest each and every day, Rowan.
3rd grade.
I'm super excited to celebrate this 3rd grader from Mrs. Obert's class. Put your hands together for Van Dashbach. It says here that Van was an active participant during reading group and also during his math group. Thanks for being a leader in class.
4th grade.
Mrs. Samari wants to shout out 4th grader Jackson Esposito. She said that he was such a helping classmate in STEM. Thanks so much for looking after your partners.
5th grade.
And finally, we're going to celebrate 5th grader from Mrs. O'Brien's class. Put your hands together for Bryce Vilchuk. It says here that Bryce saw that a classmate was struggling to clean up in class, so he jumped in to help. That's what we got to do to make sure everything looks great on our campus.
That's a wrap, Sea Lions. Have a good week.
And there you have it, McGaw. Now remember, listen to your teachers, follow instructions from your parents, take a risk, and I'll see you on campus. Bye.